Yesterday, the Fine Lab brought to my attention that SuperSense is bringing back peel-apart film this upcoming year. Additionally, we got some other news from the Fine Lab today regarding film prices, so make sure you stay for the end for some news on that. Originally discontinued in 2016, peel-apart film is an instant film type which is quite large compared to the modern-day instant films. This film is sought after by many photographers as prices for these old peel-apart films is in the multiple hundreds of dollars. SuperSense is aiming to offer a somewhat more affordable means of consistently getting this film type in 2024. The Fine Lab post reads as following. They first define what pack film is, so they say, pack film or peel-apart film is an instant film format. Following taking a photo, the image develops automatically inside the pack. The photographer then peels apart the layers of the film to reveal the image. Pack film was initially introduced by Kodak in 1903. Following this, various manufacturers, notably Polaroid and Fujifilm, introduced their own versions of this distinctive format. This format was last produced in bulk by Fujifilm, who discontinued their production in 2016. So how is it back? The company named SuperSense has taken on the challenge of reviving production of this old format. They're using film and chemistry from partners at 20x24 Studio and hand-assembling packs in-house with a small team located in Vienna. Their new film is called One Instant. It is the only pack film being produced today and comes in 3 different variations: color, black and white, and Choco, a sepia-toned film. SuperSense's latest product is a DIY kit where the photographer performs the final assembly of the film. The kit includes everything to assemble 8 shots. Assembling a shot takes about 10 minutes. Kits are currently available for pre-sale at the.supersense.com, and deliveries are scheduled for as early as 2024. They then go on to show some of the examples, which honestly I'm pretty impressed with. While the Fine Lab is not affiliated with SuperSense or their One Instant Film Pack project, they wanted to, just like myself, bring it forth to you guys so everyone stays in the know with some of the film news that's going on this upcoming year. They're currently aiming to release these for around $100 a pack, which I know is not really the price point that we all really wanted to see, but I think it is a step in the right direction. They are hand manufacturing these packs in-house, and that obviously is going to be quite expensive. While yes, I understand that it's not for everyone, especially at this price point, I do think that there will be a handful of photographers that partake in this and hopefully create some more buzz and interest around these products, which in return more manufacturers hopefully bring more products to the market, causing the prices to go down ultimately. Additionally, this is sort of unrelated, but I did think that this was worth bringing up and wasn't really worth a whole different video. The Fine Lab also just made a post about how they're reducing Kodak Gold's 120 price down to less than $35 for a 5-pack, which is the cheapest that it's ever been. With the holidays right around the corner, and as we brace for price increases from Kodak this new year, now is the perfect time to be stocking up on our beloved film. What do you think of this peel-apart film from SuperSense? I think regardless of what you think about the prices, I'm hoping that this new product will kind of light a fire under Kodak and Fujifilm's asses to get some new film products out to the masses, because obviously there is quite a lot of interest in these type of what they thought niche film products. While I've never personally shot this peel-apart film, I'd be curious to get my hands on some this time around, especially from what I'm seeing from other photographers' comments online. This film supposedly looks a lot better than some of the peel-apart film of the past. Regardless, make sure you subscribe for more film news coming soon. I'm going to keep you guys in the loop with any film news that we get this upcoming year. Otherwise, check out some of the other videos on the channel. There's a lot of film walks, reviews, and generally just something for anyone. Otherwise, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay shooting. Until the next one, peace out.